and today I'm going to demonstrate center of gravity activity using balancing butterflies. What you'll need for this activity, first of all, is a butterfly shape. These are templates that I use, patterns that the students use to trace onto their own cardstock, so just a little bit heavier than paper. You can get these either online. If you just do a search for butterflies, you'll get a large shape that you can end up tracing onto your own template, or I've seen them in kids' coloring books. Wherever you think you can find them, you probably will. They don't have to be exactly this shape, but about this size seems to work pretty well. The secret of the balancing butterflies is the counterweights that you attach to the underside of their wings. These can either be pennies or washers, or even buttons. I've seen a variety of things used. As long as they're exactly the same for each side of the wing, that's where the balance comes in. But that's part of the lesson. If students struggle with it, that's because maybe they don't have exactly the same weight object on both wings. So we got templates you'll need, weights. You also need a scissors to cut a toothpick to the right shape. The toothpick actually gives the butterfly's body a little bit of stiffness that gets glued onto the underside. Glue stick. Glue stick is used to attach the weights to the wings. I like glue sticks instead of hot glue for the weights because it allows you a little bit of time then to move the weights around to get it balanced just right. It doesn't set up very quick. But for the toothpick, hot glue comes in handy. Use a low temp glue, it's safer, and probably safety glasses are a good idea.